morning, everyone, and welcome back to CBT News. Today is Friday, June 27th. Here's a look at today's top automotive industry stories brought to you by Ally. U.S. vehicle exports to China dropped 68% in May, with year-to-date shipments down 48% as ongoing tariffs and trade tensions continue to take a toll. GM, Ford, BMW, and Tesla are among the hardest hit, with GM halting its Durant Guild import business and Tesla suspending orders for U.S.-made models. Despite the recent 90-day tariff pause, trade uncertainty and China's dominance in rare earth minerals remain key pressure points for automakers. Toyota just posted record global sales for May, with nearly 899,000 vehicles sold, up 6.9% from last year, thanks to strong demand in US, China, and Japan. US sales jumped nearly 11%, helping Toyota achieve its fifth straight monthly gain. Still, global production dipped slightly, mainly due to fewer workdays in Japan. All of this comes as Japan faces rising pressure from US tariffs, including a 24% reciprocal tariff set to hit in July. Tesla CEO Elon Musk has fired Omid Afshar, the company's VP of Manufacturing and Operations, amid falling sales in key global markets. His exit comes as Tesla struggles with declining sales in Europe and rising competition, while Musk's political activity continues to generate controversy around the brand. Lexus topped J.D. Power's 2025 initial quality study with the fewest problems per 100 vehicles, followed by Nissan and Chevrolet. The annual survey found overall vehicle quality slightly improved year over year. Infotainment issues made up half of all reported problems, with touchscreen complexity leading the list of complaints. Plug-in hybrids ranked as the least reliable, while traditional gas vehicles performed best. Don't go anywhere, we'll be right back with Lauren Fix, automotive expert and founder of Car Coach Reports, to check out Volvo's all-new electric 2025 EX40.
Take your dealership to the next level with the strongest team in automotive media. CBT News, dealers' most trusted source for news, content, and analysis.
Our test vehicle is the top-of-the-line twin-motor Ultra. The EX40 is a luxury compact SUV that is all-electric. There are 6 trim levels: the single or twin motor Core, single or twin motor Plus, and the single or twin motor Ultra. Also available is the Black Edition, which is an appearance package including the Onyx Black paint, gloss black badging, 20-inch gloss black 5-spoke alloy wheels, and a choice of suede light, microtech, or textile charcoal interiors. One of the things that denotes a Volvo is this headlight signature. It is Thor's hammer. It's one of the coolest little features, and it is also their LED running lights. When opening the front trunk or the hood on all Volvos, just follow the arrow, and right here you will find the latch to release underneath the front hood. Because there is no motor under the hood, this is where you would store in the front your charging cable. And of course, there's an adapter here as well. All of that is right here. It's about 2 cubic feet of storage, but it's a great place to keep them safe. The performance of the EX40 twin motor Ultra is fully electric, front and rear electric motors, and 402 horsepower with 494 pound-feet of torque, which makes it a very zippy car. 82 kilowatt-hour lithium-ion battery and shift-by-wire single-speed transmission. Anti-lock brakes are standard, as well as hill start assist. It gets 94 mpge, which means about 260 to about 296 miles, depending upon how you're driving it and what drive mode. 0 to 60 time is a quick 4.1 seconds. It is available rear-wheel drive or all-wheel drive. It does have electric assisted steering and 1-pedal drive.
And be sure to watch the rest of this episode in its entirety right here at cbtnews.com. Well, that wraps up our show for today, but join us again here tomorrow morning on cbtnews.com. And if you haven't already, be sure to follow us on all your favorite social media platforms, and we'll bring the latest industry buzz right to your feed.